Hey, good morning. Do you want to speak English? My name is Susanna, and the lesson today is routines. Routines in the morning. What do you usually do in the morning? To increase vocabulary for this lesson, I recommend to listen to the song Wonderful Tonight by CLAPTON, and you can download the PDF exercises below to practice more at home. Okay, let's start. First, I get up. I get up at 7 o'clock. I wash my face. I brush my teeth and get dressed. Then I have breakfast. I have coffee with milk and a piece of toast with cheese. After that, I do the housework. I make the bed. I do the laundry. Sweep the floor and mop it. I water plants. I play with my baby. I cook lunch. Before lunch, I have a banana and some water. I have lunch at 12 o'clock. I do the dishes. I dry them and put them away. What about you? What do you usually do in the morning? Do you stay home? Do you go to work? Let me know. If you like this video, press the button and subscribe to get new lessons to improve or learn your English. See you next time. Bye.